Hello, everybody, all right? Hope you're doing well. Today late again. 1 minute left. I don't even know where the market is. We'll see. Short-term trader back again. Yesterday was a difficult day. Today, I don't know what they're gonna do. 15-second left. Let's see what they already straight up. Look like bullish. But who cares? We trade what they give us. So 8:30 open. Maybe initial downside move, hopefully. Okay, already 9:30 open. They taken out high again. Now all-time high back again. Perfect. Good job. Nothing to do. Let me set it up and a little bit research what they're doing. Then we'll think about it. So practically, if we see 1 hour, they just straight gone high. We don't know what they're gonna do. So 1 hour, they started here today under the new week opening gap. Just gone straight up. What to do? Nothing to do. Watch. There are news today. Okay, so 10 o'clock and then 45. It's better to wait until that time maybe to trade. But will we be able to wait? That's the question. We'll see. We'll try our best. Okay, it's showing a sign to go down a little bit. Where is my thingy? Okay, thank you. Are you shorting? No idea. Let's see if they can create this one as an order block. I'm gonna definitely short it. Anyways, I'm trading with one, so not gonna hurt that much, hopefully. Let's see how they trade. Still now is not a good sign to do anything. Okay, I'm very short-term trader, so please don't follow my trade. If you want to take trades, you have to take it with your own risk, because I trade like quick. Yeah, it still didn't close under the 9:30, so we don't know now. It's still now. They are extremely bullish. Okay, so there is no point of losing anything. So from here, you think they can. Still now is not ready at all. So don't look anything. So we are just here. Okay. Let's see now what they create. So they're still on the top of 8:30. They're 50-50. Until they're creating a gap, there is not good sign. Initial downward they can go. Did they left anything? Until 0 can be a good option if they go down, but I'm not convinced yet. Yeah, I'm not trading in this way. We're gonna check it everything and then we'll try to go from there. Today can be lucky yesterday. It can test your soul, and I want to see it properly today. So still they created equal low here. Look, equal low here. So it's not convinced 100%. Okay, so they are trading what? This 15 minutes gap, they still holding. Do you think is a nice way to go up? I didn't like it. They should have come a little bit down. We'll see what they do. We'll trade accordingly. We trade with little things, if they go, we'll just go with them. They're going high, what can we do? Nothing. We don't need to do anything. We will find our way, man. Don't worry. They're taking out the high back again. They're creating a tiny gap here. If you see, like, in the this is 15 minutes. Okay, let me put maybe 1 minute. Then we can understand. Yeah, so this area, little gap. Let's see how they treat this part. Straightforward, they can go high, but NQ is in all-time high, but ES just trying to take out previous days. Sorry for that. Previous days high. Very ugly price, like if you see it is straight up. For what reason, they know. I don't want to be too much predicting today. I want to do my trade just straightforward, in and out kind of trade. If it present me anything. So ES taken out yesterday's 10 o'clock high right now. Okay, perfect. Can they take out yesterday's high as well? Let's see. But it's better not to trade until 10 o'clock, because 10 o'clock jolt opening coming, so lots of things will happen. Straightforward, my goodness. The market is extreme. Yeah, go more high. Little bit high, yes, good job. 33 now. Reach 33. Part of my soul will say that it would to short it for after tiny bit later. For a little run, nothing else, like before the news. But after the news, I don't know. They already did the consolidation. Okay. Little bit more extension I needed. I need them to extend tiny bit more, around 50 or something. Yeah. I'll do a quick trade a little bit later, but not yet. It's not ready yet. Good job. Good job. So they came to 48. Okay. This is the area I'm little bit interested, but they can just beat us up. I have to be careful, yeah, if I short them from this kind of area. This can be brutal because they already crossed 28,000 for the first time in history. Okay. ES still couldn't take it, so I'm waiting for ES to take out the high first, and then we'll see. They show a sign. ES is playing game. It's all right, man. So it's 37, past 7 minutes gone, and it just extended. What can I do? Nothing. Let them extend. Same thing. First time in history, they went to 28. So the market is extremely bullish. So we'll see. If I do a trade, you'll see it anyways. I'll do the same things what I do normally. I'll do it like a retracement kind of trade. If they retrace now, I'm not gonna buy it as well because they are overextended. My only option is to go for a retracement. So today or tomorrow, I'm expecting them to do some kind of what is it called, manipulation. Don't come now, man. Didn't like it. 61, yeah. Didn't like the candle. They already did the retracement. 41, yeah. Didn't like it, man. You should have I wanted to do that, but short it. Didn't have the guts to do that. They actually kind of inverted, but to reach what? Reached nothing. Yeah. Can be a short-term fall. Only thing is that ES could have gone a little bit higher, then I could have trusted this move, but I cannot now. Yeah, they already taken out 10 o'clock high actually. Yesterday's 9:30 price high they taken out, but I was expecting them to take out yesterday's, let's say, morning high, but this can be a retracement, but cannot guarantee it. So that's why we'll wait because of the news. It's not a nice, let's say, retracement, I have to say. No. Okay. Perfect. Now it's all right. Yeah, let it trade. What can they do? They can extend, that's it. I have to trade today a little bit better than yesterday because yesterday was like in and out, continuous trading, not good. So today I'll be little bit cautious, not too much, because I like to trade quickly and finish my day. But we'll see what they do. Anyways, 40 already. Okay, so 40 means 9:45. There is a news. 9:45 is what is the PMI services PMI, and then we have jolt opening, job opening. Okay, and then ISM. So many three news altogether. So we'll just wait for that, and let's see what opportunity they bring. But today I mean, doesn't look like they could. What is it called? Like, sorry, let me put the light up a little bit because it doesn't. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen, but if you ask me, like if you see the daily, look, this is the things is going on. What is it? It's like a straight up, yeah. So what I was talking yesterday as well, like, if you see that one, because I would want them to extend tiny bit more, and then let's say in this next week or the next week, I want them to little bit, calm down. Look at this extreme bullishness. How can you trade? Look at this. Yeah, let them go because there was no entry. There was no way I could enter. What is it? This is the problem of this. When you use this kind of new week opening gap and that indicator, yeah, let them extend. So this is the 15 minutes extending. Okay. So now the replacement done. Yeah, next candle as well. You cannot trade. I don't think so I should trade. I'll trade after 10 maybe, hopefully. Because before 10 o'clock, I should not trade. Even though they give me opportunity, I should actually sit down. After 10, we might get a good good setup maybe. If we don't get a setup, we don't trade. What can we do? So if I see first candle, second candle, third candle, okay, yeah. Missed a little bit of trick here. Observation need to go a little bit higher than what we are doing right now. So yep. So I've got the first presented gap there. Let's see, today is a waiting game. What can we do? So they reached 278. So ES is still playing. So both of them are on the top of what is it called? 930 price, 830 price, everything. So I would love them to extend more. ES to take out some kind of a, but for the time being, will they give us like a retracement? We don't know. That's what we don't know, because if I cannot do like that. There's a gap there. This can be like a chance of a little retracement before the news, but let the news play out, I think, because there is no point of like unnecessary taking risk. Let the news play out. I mean, I don't need to be earning just now. But this kind of look like it will, they set it up for to go down for a while, maybe from here. Then maybe buying could be an option, maybe. I don't know. But I really don't want to buy it today. Because yesterday, if you see like Monday here open, so they were there. So the Tuesday they taken out Monday's high. I mean, are they gonna break down? Why they should break down? Then maybe tomorrow they could come down. I mean, we don't know. So that's what I'm saying. So there is no point of unnecessary taking risk. See, where are you now? They reached higher. Okay, good job. Good job that we didn't do nothing. So the news came out. What is the news? Probably good news, isn't it? Yeah, 51. More than 50 should be all right. It's all right. I don't want to see about these things. But yeah, so now the jolts. So question is that, is this the last area? This is the area I might be a little bit interested to do anything if they give me sign. Just for a retracement, okay? But ES became bullish now, so I have to be careful as well. But from here, if ES go a little bit extended, and then after that, if they give us a chance, we can try it. Quick short. Yep, so now ES taken out the high of yesterday. Okay, perfect. So now what you gonna do? Yes. Are you going more up? So 97, 97. Okay, so this is the high. This is 44 candle, 45 candles there. Perfect. There are now 02. Expand a little bit more, maybe. It will be nicer. Yeah, from here I can short it, but they're slow and this area, but live trading, that's the problem. Only problem is I'm trading live. When you're trading live, you don't have to like show stupidness, do you? But it's a like a, you can say, oh, this is just a evaluation account. Why don't you treat it as like a just pass it? No, I want to treat it like slowly. I don't want to be get rich quickly. This channel is only for to like not to like teach anybody anything. Okay, so there's nothing you're gonna learn from here. This is just the experience, I'm sharing how I'm going with my journey. If you like it, see, watch it. If you don't like it, don't have to watch it. If I have one viewer, I got quite a people, lots of people watching. So thank you very much for being with me, just to be with my journey. But if I don't have a viewer, I'll have few viewers. They always watch my thing. So I'm happy that you guys are at least observing my journey. That's the only things I can say. So they reached, look, to this area. What was that? 02. Like these are institutional price. ICT talk about it, isn't it? Like let's say 100, then this kind of things. So from there, this is the retracement they're doing right now. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, if I was alone, I would have shorted it from there to get 20 points. Look, already 20 points given. So maybe until I know you can say, oh, just trying to catch a falling knife. Yes, because the year has taken out a significant liquidity. So this retracement was due. That is my only. This is my thought process. Okay, so I mean, if you don't think that way, don't think this way. But this is the way. But now this is the order block. We don't know what they're gonna do here. Okay, so I mean, better to wait until I would say until the jolt opening. Then maybe we'll like have an opportunity. But if you tell me, oh, you're gonna buy it, yeah, you can buy it, but I'm not buying today. I'm just waiting for them to set me up for a little retracement like the other time. If they give me, I'll take it. If they don't give me, I don't have a trade. I didn't lose nothing, did I? Yet. But this one, I cannot short like that. You can, but I'm not gonna short it like this. At least not now. because they're gonna gyrate here. They might even come back to, you know, the 930 opening price now. I mean, lots of things can happen. So let them set up. But these are a place you could get it like a 20-30 points scalp. So let's say when they did this one became a, like a little order block, didn't they? So like, look, they came back to trade this price, but you know, these are scalp. You know, you cannot trust on these kind of things because until they're breaking down, you're not having anything, and they got news there. Look, now macro is starting. Macro is starting within 3-4 minutes. Sorry, seconds. 50. Now it's 50. How they gonna treat? Do you think they're bearish? I don't know nothing about them. They're retracing and then they look at this jump. So should you trade these things? So that's what I'm saying. So you can like a quick scalp and just run away and let them stand. We'll have opportunity later on. We will have opportunity. Okay. Yeah. So now they went high. Let me check my area back again. Because ES didn't take out, let's say, Friday's high yet. So this one is already taken out all these highs. They're trading all-time high, but ES still now they didn't even take out Monday's high as well, like the weekly high, weekly open, you know. So weekly open is still didn't trade it. ES didn't trade it. So I mean, so many things can happen. I don't know what's going on in the world, so we should check it. Are we trading with 2 or 1? Today maybe 2 because I'm waiting. So if I get one trade, I'll take it and I'll just take one out, and then one I'll try to hold it, and then that's it. I'm gonna go away. I need to do things. If I can do that. If I have loss, I'll trade, you know, that I need to make it a little bit of positivo. Look, yesterday all these things I did it, and then at the end $33. But $33 is $33, isn't it? We go slowly, slowly. I mean, I don't have rush because this they don't not gonna charge you money. They're not charging you anything. That's the good thing about Lucid. I love about them that they one time you paid it, that's it, done. And then you just try slowly, slowly you gather up. You know, by this time you learn. I'm learning every day. I'm learning every day. I'm gathering up new information. So I mean, I'm not unhappy about it. Okay. Only thing is like I don't know why I came to record these things, but I'm enjoying that. At least I'm keeping my journal. That's it. You know, like yesterday I traded, and after that I was observing what I did. You know, I was watching me, and I saw that, you know, quite a lot of things I did it what I shouldn't have done, and then I could have done better than that. So these are the only plus point I've got it from trading live. So if it is helping me, why not? I'll be happy to do these things. I don't know if it is helpful for you, but I don't know. Truly speaking, I'm not teaching you anything or anything, okay? Because I don't have no plan to teach anything to anybody. These are all my experience. I'm a very short-term trader, and I just do in and out kind of trade. So from 12, they're trying to retrace. I don't trust it. If they go like 2850 something, like, no, 28,150 around that time, we'll again try. But up to now, I'm just not interested at all. So let's see what are they doing. So they need to take out the weekly high. What else is there? ES. So NQ is on blue sky mode. All right. So this is this from this area I used to short and my stop loss will be on the top of this one, but it's because of the news I cannot do that. Just to have like a quick scalp, because they did shown some sign, but they will later on maybe they're going back. But these are the trade I take it, but because I'm live streaming, I don't, because if I was quick from here, I would have tried to attack this area, because they didn't take out this low. Do you understand? Because this would be a nice trade as well, but the price was not good anyways. There's nothing to do, as I didn't do it. So now I would be out already. I don't want to hold this one. Look, 67. They can fall further, I don't care, because now if they set it up, then I don't know. But they didn't do nice job on the top, so they might come back again. But do you understand, like as soon as they created this candle, the next candle, if I take it and put my stop loss there, I mean, it's 1 to 3 even trading, like this is, I know, like sometimes you say, oh, you trading like a stupid guy. Yeah, but all my trade, if you check it, I mean, it's more or less 1 to 2. Okay, I take quite a lot of trade, but did you see my win rate is not that bad? Look, this one more than 3, man. So you're not gonna take a trade like that. They've shown you a sign here. They reached a certain price, and they're waiting for the news. What they gonna do? Retrace tiny bit. So I mean, why not? What is the wrong with that trade? And lots of people say, "Oh no, you should not trade like that." I would have even maybe sometimes I short from there as well, but this is too much. Now they created a gap here. Let's forget about this trade. What is not there, you don't need to worry. So now the news is coming within a few minutes. So they are setting up for the news. So they're retracing back. Maybe there is a they did a proper inversion here. I cannot show you because like if you see it from here, but then I have to look around the other one. Look here. So this one, earlier they did inversion. Now they've gone high. They did a further, reclaim kind of things, and they created another gap. Now the question is, will this hold? Still now struggling to cross this area. Until what price is logical to go, let's say. So they can come down to, I mean, even the fast presented gap as well, they can come down to around that area, and then they can go. Or maybe they can inverse this area and then they go, but I don't care. My idea is, yeah, now they close down on the top of that. So the question is, the next candle closing down or closing on the top of this area? That's the question. Waiting for the news. There is no trade right now. No trading. Today I'm like, because of yesterday's trading, today not that much confident. But I don't need to be confident anyways. I have to wait tiny bit. Even though after the news, we need to wait tiny bit. And then see. I might not do the live from tomorrow. Maybe I'll record the trade because it's more relaxing for me. And just show you the things we did it. Sorry for that, because I'm checking a few other things just to see. Yeah, the news is coming. So the market is extremely bullish. Everything is like, I don't know what they're doing. I can show you, like if you see even weekly chart, we got 1 minute left before the news. Look at this weekly charts. Let me show you here. Look. So ever since these things happening, every week was like massive. Now is they slowing down a little bit. So what I was trying to say that, maybe they reach a certain area and then a little bit maybe retracement and then go back. It would be nicer. Otherwise, what are they creating? You tell me. I don't know, man. This market is crazy, not for retail people. They are like big boys playing with each other. And me and you will be like proper get toasted in this kind of situation. Okay. Okay. So still holding this one is not holding. They need to close down. Yeah. So now they're saying if they close down properly, let them do what they like to do. Okay. So we'll find our trade. We need to wait. Nothing else to do. 10 a.m. news came out. Let's see what news is it. Yeah, they'll retrace down maybe, then they might go up. I don't see like they're just falling. ISM, okay. Job opening was 6.9, more job open than they expecting. Good job. And PMI, ISM services PMI is good. So I mean everything is good. Life is good. So now they came to 15 minutes gap. So okay. I don't care. I'm waiting right now. Nothing else to do here. We are waiting go for them to set it up for us. Nothing else to do here. Okay, let me see higher time frame a little bit. Sorry for that. Bullish. All bullish until they become bearish. $15 minutes gap is quite a big one. If I show you here. So now they traded. Will I believe that they will go up, or I'm thinking the next candle will take it down to somewhere around 930. So you know what? This kind of trading, I'm just they now did the kind of inducement. You know, if they close down here means it's bullish. So they came down to take out something, but still I'm not happy with this retracement. So I've got my retracement is still now due. I'm not happy with the retracement they did. So they're gonna close that, you think, and then yeah, we need to see what they do. Let them expand a little bit. Today I'm proper waiting. If there is no trade, I'm not trading. Okay, so nothing to show off or nothing to show to anybody. So we are just waiting. We need a green day. That's it. Nothing else. So they kind of came down to take out this these lows, all these lows, and then they went high because the newses are all good. Look, 6.9 million job open. So new job creator. I don't understand these things. Anyways, we are not economists, so we don't need to worry about. We are short-term trader. We only trade 20 to 30 points. That's it. That is our job. Today, let's wait. Let them set up something. But I'm not buying it today. If they show me sign of a little bit going down, I will try to short. But if they go up, they can go up. But my retracement trade is there. I mean, that's the only things I will trade today. But buying would be a good option as well. And if you see the daily candle, look from here, do you think that this candle will create like a bearish candle and then they come here today? Or it makes more sense to like trade like this and the next day open Wednesday, go high, and then they do something. So I would prefer the second option. But by saying that, I cannot buy it from here. It's in extreme situation. Do you understand? So I mean, there is nothing there. Look at this. Yesterday they created this little deep. They didn't even take out the previous day's low. They taken out previous day high and they deep down and they closed it. Today they opened up straight up. I mean, if you see the 15 minutes from there, I should go to the other chart. Look at this. So they opened up under the new week opening gap. Look at this run. I mean, it's not that illogical, but what I'm gonna trade, Like this is pre-market high. This is, look, London was there. So kind of look, these are all, they left all this equal, not equal low, they actually poked it. Look, so there, this one they left it, they didn't take out the low. Yesterday was difficult price action, so we were like buying, selling, everything, we did it. So this is 1 hour. What I can think, look, this one not been traded, this one is not trading. So if this one get a extension, we'll have a chance to take a trade from this area. Maybe if they go, hopefully they go around this area, take out this high, and then after that they give us something. But I don't have nothing else to say. That retracement I can trade, but if they retrace right now, I don't know how to trade this one. Look, they're already consolidating, and they're taken out this low. Now they've gone high. What I'm gonna trade? But we should concentrate. Let's concentrate. So let's see how they set it up. Hopefully they give us a nice trade, and then we just take it and run away. But from this consolidation to trade, it will be difficult, I have to say. So let's go to back to 1 minute. Okay, what the hell is that? Oh, this is the let me change it to the color to a little bit brighter color. Okay, why is not changing, man? Okay, perfect. Because of this indicator, they are like, I don't know, the chart is shrinking, so I have to expand it every single time. I don't know if you guys know any other way to fix it. So now let's see. Yeah, a little bit better than before, I would say. So this 15 minutes already traded, so the next 2 candle can be expansion as well. I mean, do you think they can fall from here? But should you believe that one, or should you think that, you know, they traded this one, so they create 2 gaps, and then maybe they give you some sort of a reversal? I don't know, but we have to think that way. So to me, it has to make a sense, because I'm gonna trade only 20 to 30 points, quick in and out. That's it. I don't want to trade like people will hold it for 200, 300 points. Yeah, I can learn those things, but that is the target, to learn it. We need to learn those things. This channel, I'm saying, like, you know, guys, don't think like, you know, I'm gonna teach you anything, because you know that you're not gonna learn. You can learn my experience. Maybe you can see I'm doing everything in front of you. The last few days, you know, when sorry for that, I'm just trying to show you this one. Look, this is just, I'm doing it. I'm trying to show you how difficult it is to, like, you know, achieve these things. I know it's like, oh, why don't you do it one go and just pass it and finish? Yeah, I did it like that quite a lot of times. So, but I don't want to do it this one. I want to go take it slow, because I'm in front of yours. I'm under pressure. So I want to be just green every day. That's it, somehow. So normally I trade already. I would be done with my trading. I trade like that. Beginning of the beginning of the market open, that's the trading time. So but the problem happened today is there was 2 news. One was on 45, one is on 3 o'clock. Sorry, 3 o'clock, I'm saying 10 o'clock. So these 2 news making it wet, and now they went up, and now they're consolidating. What should I do? Nothing. Still now they didn't give a significant retracement yet to even be bullish as well. So that's a very sign. I don't know, maybe they're waiting for news. Is there any news, if you guys know? Oh, Mr. Trump will talk, looks like it, at 10:30. So maybe after 10:30 the market could move. That is the part. We have to all wait for it. So no other chances. From here they can even retrace for a while up around this area, and then maybe they can be bullish. But to short it from here is like, I would have done it if I was not live streaming. But this is not like a shorting opportunity, do they? Because there is like a gap here, they already inverted, and then now they are trading on the top of this gap. If you see it, like I know you cannot see it from here, look here to there is this gap. So just extend it in your chart, you will see that. Then they're just waiting. So until let's say 2850, around that area, I mean 28,140 to 50, that area could be a chance of shorting, but I'm not saying this is okay. So ES now taken out weekly high. Sorry, weekly high means something. So weekly opening price. So basically Monday's highs. So now ES need to take out maybe Friday's high. We don't know. Yeah, if it is bullish, they will do that. So it's a waiting game. That is the only things we can do. Wait for it to set it up for us, and then we can do it. So now they're extending, more extending up. We have to be careful today. There could be any news could come, and we have to focus on the news as well. Because now only things can drive the market is geopolitical news. But to me, retracement is due. I don't know if they're gonna do it now. It's all my opinion. Okay, don't trade on that. Sense. Then maybe they could do something, because this one taken out on what is it called? Monday's high. ES taken out Monday's high. Sorry, NQ is already in all-time high. Blue sky setups. Is this that retracement we are talking about? But should we trade from this area? Not really. If you want to try to build our discipline, we should just wait, because this is a massive kind of order block. This candle. So can they breach this order block and give you 2-3 gaps, and then you want to trade short? But what they created here, how can you short it from here? Only you can say that, oh, ES and NQ made this, this high and this high. With ES, they created a what is it called, like a SMT, but it's not a good SMT to take it. There is no gap on ES as well. If you check it, like there is no gap there to invert. So is waiting is the only things we can do. They created this gap. So yeah, 10-12. What they're gonna do? 15 minutes candle. I Part of me saying short it, but I don't know how to do that. Today proper waiting. Not gonna do bad trading today. Today will be trying to get a good trade, or otherwise no trade. Zero is if you have a zero profit as well, it's kind of a winning day as well, because you didn't lose nothing. Let me drink some water and I'm coming back. Hey, retracement happening. This guy, man. About to say, like, remember? Short it. But no, not now. What is the news? It's all right. They will do something to us. Let them create something better. Yesterday's pain is still there. So I'm not gonna let it. This is a kind of like lots of people will take it as a, what is it called? Like a, you have to be like, I don't know, until they're not closing there is no point of I'm taking, let's say 5 minutes, what they're saying. Yeah, man. Only thing I can take it like as a ES and NQ, what is it called? But it's too much to trade from here. I don't like to trade. Okay, let's see if they can build up something. But this is not a good way to go down. They didn't do us a good job today. Not happy how they're going down. You're saying they will straight fall? They can. ES and NQ got like a proper SMT. Okay, let them trade. It's fine. We can find a trade. It's not a big deal. Still now, so these are the area I would be even if they give me opportunity to buy it, maybe I could even buy it to go all time high. But if they fall from here because they've taken out Monday's high and they're going down, I don't trust it yet. We will, but when once they, yeah. So now this one became a 15 minutes, this one became an order block. So now will they give us a retracement and then they will fall? But this one traded 50% of this as well. Okay, so that one we need to be very, very careful here. Now I have to trust the smaller time frame uh, things like, so what they created only one gap. So NQ created one gap. ES already broke down after taking out highs. So is this a short? The question is, I think I might try it. If they go tiny bit high, don't go down here, man. The only question is that can I try 16? Maybe we try one little short. I'm not, this is not a good trade. I should have waited for this to retrace here. Okay. But I told you, like, I trade with the smaller things. I'm going, oh my God, I didn't notice that I'm with two. But if they have expansion, they should do it now and I will lose the money. Because this one is not a, I didn't notice that I was with two. I forgot. Sorry for that. Only I'm thinking that, they did a, now this was a bad trade today. But still, I'll be adding, today I'll be a little bit, I'll take risk. But this one, I didn't notice. I thought I'll add another one here. Shall I go over leverage and show you? It can like properly go up and we could lose our quite a good money because I really didn't notice that, I had two selected there. Yeah, we just, I think they got us. You know what? I'll just add another one, getting a little bit leverage, but I think I'm getting toasted today for that reason. Yeah, did very bad job. So this is the gap. If they, yeah, I think they got me. Yeah, they got me today. This candle is going up. Nice. So, all right, I'll take the loss. 200 loss is fine. Bad trading day. Seriously. Shouldn't have done that. I said it all right. And then look at it. What did I do? Anyways, we'll have an opportunity again. So they just came to trade the back to the order block back again. Big loss. 500 is, look at this now. How do you feel like? Oh my God, these things are like, seriously? They did such a bad things to me. Think about it. I just came out and immediately they just, I'm like, unbelievable, isn't it? Okay, so now the ES already trading 930. Can I hold it? This is proper bad. Traded with a very FOMO kind of trade. Hmm. This one is the order block now. ES already trading 930. Can they break down there from there? That's the question. Bad trading, yeah. Still holding, still holding, still holding. Any news? I don't know. Today I'll be toasted. I think I'm just not in a good mental state. I'm trading with FOMO and everything. Look at these things. These days were supposed to come anyways. This one now, if they uh, go up from here, this is the retracement they did it. So I mean, they are trapping people. I'm out. I'll take this loss. The trapping people, they might fall even, but the thing is that like the way I'm trading is not good. I'm like completely getting FOMO. Now it will fall. They think about it because the timings are so bad. I'm doing 15 minutes. So yeah, let me wait. Waiting for confirmation. That's the problem. So 121. Have to recover it slowly, slowly, because there is no chance. This guy should have gone tiny bit higher. This one. Midpoint back again. If this one created like a order block, then I would see. But it's like I traded bad. That is my problem. Still this one bullish still now. Taken the. I think what we'll do. Yeah, let's see. Very very volatile. I'll trusting. I'm trusting the buy. I'm trading with very very small now. I don't want to lose too much. I have to recover a little bit. But my yeah, they came down, retraces to good area, and then now what they're gonna do? Let's see. If they give me a chance, I'll create a bigger position maybe from here. I know I could be doing mistakes, but I said I'm not gonna buy it today. I'll wait and I'll sell it. Time pressure, I wanted to go out. So let's see this candle, what they give it to us. I'm gonna add more, okay? So if they come to this gap, Come on, give us more entry. I'm adding another one in just to like, creating a position. It's all right. It's like a something I have to take it. So look here, what they achieve. So they went high to take out the top of that one. What 20 they went? Yeah, should have put one at least around that area to sell it, and the rest I should keep it. 20, they could go even 30 area, 36. Let's see. They should touch at least 33, 33. Take one out at least. Yeah, so another one I'll just keep it until TP should be around 50, 48. I said it 47. So put it here and then try to recover the loss, and then we'll see. 41, 41, 41. Normally they should go to 44 at least. Yeah, let's see how they extend now. If they extend or not, this candle, we got 4 minutes left. Yes, reached already to the area. So 23, 24. Just a little bit of mistake. I did calculation mistake, Hope they don't retrace from here. Is the loss I taken? So that's why I'm like so now, thinking about it. Because I trade with the small things. When they give me loss, then what happened? To recover it takes time. But from this kind of area as well, there is a retracement possible. Okay, so I just wanted them to like quick see money take money should be the option because they already taken out the high. Now the retracement coming maybe. So this is a gap. So there I should have taken the profit. Now I could have re-enter it from there. So let's see if they can give us at least until what 60, 97, 45. 45 is this candle. 44 is here. Yeah, let's see how they treat this area. 30, 33. Anyways, I'll trade big today. Anyways, so this one, if they invert now as well, we'll see. But this one should have extended a tiny bit more, but it didn't do that anyways. So I mean, it is what it is. At least 40, around 40, they should have just gone. Let's see if they give us the that 40 area, or just shall we take it and then later on we'll see. But there are more chances of little bit extension. But from there, after this candle to fall, not possible. I don't think they should do it. 45, yeah. Next candle should give at least a tiny bit of extension, and then they should fall. Another 1 minute left. So 32, 32, 33. 1 minute left. Come on, hit our target. Don't fall now. Because the next 15 minutes candle is opening very soon. Either they'll go up or down. I'll just take the profit and then we'll think about it. Okay. So at least recover a tiny bit of loss. Retracement can be possible. It's okay. So yeah, if you trade like little bit lose your concentration, they could hurt you. So this is the proof. So at least we recover a tiny bit. So now what? We have to get it back. So they created order block from this. I didn't notice these things, like just did little bit of FOMOing, should have checked this one. Select, look, midpoint, just came to the midpoint, and then I'm just selling from there. Can you believe it? And with two, and I didn't notice. So these are the mistakes. So you trade with one, and then I know I select, I said, oh, I'm going to trade with big. But then these two, what it did, it hurt me because if I was even one, I would have added another one. I could afford to hold it. Look, that one given us this drop. But then what they did a nice SMT with ES and then just shoot. So this buy, I bought it from here. It was a good buy to target this area. But then I should have been like, aggressive. I was aggressive from there. With four, I would have profit. From here, if I just was aggressive with two even, or three maybe, I could have recovered all the money I lost it. So at least that's what they were doing. Time distortion, inducement, SMT gone high. What did I do? Nothing. It's all right. We'll have a chance to recover these things. Don't worry. We'll do it again. You consolidate. Don't worry. So the next candle open up right now. I have to be focused. Seriously, they just betrayed us. We have to recover slowly, slowly. Are we still buying it? Why not? Where are yes, Baba? Yes, Baba. Yes, man. Yes, reach to a area. No, yes, yes should not fall from here. Extension, man, extension, please. Do some extensive extension. Proper played out by the market maker. We proper lost to market maker, and it's all right. Market maker, please. I part of my soul saying bite because they didn't reach the area yet. So they're trying to either they doing a rebalance of the 15 minutes gap, this rebalance, or they're gonna just make this little gap here, and they could go high from here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to scalp it. Should have entered from there 12 to already. I would have get something. Yeah, today I'm trying to be too much perfectionist. It's all right. Keep our selling things on. Deviating from your initial idea is one of the worst things in trading. So, beginning of the stream, I was talking about, oh, they're extremely bullish. Maybe they will leave like this, and tomorrow maybe they will take out the high, and then we'll look for it. So, idea should be, I said I'm gonna sell it, but not. I said it not from here. I said when they go up, around this area, we'll try to short. But what did I do? Got FOMO. So this is the trap. This is the Judas swing. Sometimes not to understand. I saw some of the, let's say, people talk about, let's say, what is it called? Like a displacement. So these kind of things, that's why, you should follow the right people. Like sometimes, ICT channel, if I learn something, I always believe that would be the best way to do that. But the thing is that you sometimes follow some other people, social media guru or somebody, or you checked it there, how they trade. They sometimes they talk about this kind of displacement, so you stick to your head. So that's why is very important how you learn your things. I sometimes get still now I'm saying I'm trying to recover it from that. When I see this kind of thing, I think like this is the run. So, but like this is not anybody's fault. This is my fault. So I'm trying to recover it from there. So hopefully I'll recover these kind of things because they didn't have manipulation. Okay, I understood there was a little bit of SMT with ES, but do you think this kind of things they're gonna fall from here? Is there any chance of falling? This is the retracement they did it. If I even maybe Fibonacci, let's say this is the area to the high to the low. Look at this, we're at 50% of this. So why did I even sell it from there? Is this a good area to sell? Yes, selling from there was a good idea, but why did I sell from this area? I should have let it come to this gap, and then if I sold it from this area, makes sense because there was a little things as well. My stop loss was perfect on the top of that, but the execution was very bad. Look at this entry from this area I entered it. Why? Because say displacement enter. This displacement and entry is one of the things I need to fix it because I have to relearn it. That's what I'm trying to say. You understand? So that would be the part I need to be good at. Let them retrace, or so not retrace, extend. We'll find some kind of setup, hopefully. Maybe what I'll do. I'll not waste your time because I don't know if it is helpful. As much as I would love to stay here because then what I'm doing, I'm just making the video lengthy. You guys are not gonna like it. You'll say, oh, this guy just took stupid trade and then at the end he didn't do nothing. So this is the area, see, 40. 40. They came to 40 and then now they're trying to give us, they're trying to put me into a trade. They're really tempting me to take this trade, these things, to sell it. I shall I? We're doing seeing what? Like opening price breach. 36, 37. What they gonna be? Seriously, man? Okay. 15 minutes, what they said. No, nothing to shell from here. Okay, let them little bit go down. And I'm gonna trade with bigger size to recover everything. Hopefully, you can recover it. But this is just not a sell to me yet. With ES, yeah, it looks like good. What ES did, but if they ES go down, maybe then it can be a sell, man. I just missed it, I would say. If I enter from here, that will be same mistake I'll do. Absolutely right. Trade should be like if they go down, and then after that they create something. I'll concentrate. I'm not gonna look at this chart. This is my execution chart. The problem is that I'm keep looking at this chart and then I'm doing those silly trade. No way I'm gonna look at you anymore. Okay, so 9:30. All right. You think this time if they go up, am I gonna be part of it? The problem is that when they do it so fast, you will not even have chance. They're not gonna let you be part of this run. But they reached to yeah 140 area, but they should have gone tiny bit higher. That's the only things I cannot trust the. No, I'll trade with one first. One, just recover the loss. Okay, if I trade from here, low leverage would be the best option to do. So look, the 40, they already retraces almost 50 points. So will they give us entry here? Let's see. If they go up, we will try. This 5 minutes thing. 5 minutes already created order block. Yeah, they're retracing. Are you gonna try to do entry? Maybe one entry. One is fine, yeah. If they go up, I'll add more. But this time I'm gonna be I have to because it's just this gap I have to observe. Okay, so this gap. So if they come to this gap, they're coming. So this is the like a, what is it called? The top of these things. I don't know, just to recover some of the things. So if they breach this area, let's say, then we'll see like there'll be confirmation. But this is just like a kind of like quick retracement kind of things. If they happen or not, they already ES is already betraying, so we don't know. Because now they could retrace back. Yeah. So now 1, 2 gaps. So this could be my entry, but it was a FOMO entry. So all right. So if I'm holding it, I have to keep trying. But this is the area they can just what is it called? They left it here untraded. So this kind of things can extend maybe. I don't know if they go. This one can do something. This one traded already the order block. Nah, what they traded? 87. Okay. Don't say I got trapped again. Only I'm just checking with the 5 minutes order block. Okay. Only checking with the 5 minutes order block. But this one already, ES already betrayed. So this is, I think, another loss. I have to say, yes. ES already betrayed. So this can be another loss. Okay, let me concentrate. So this one created order block, inverted. I will add another one to just to try to be, break even or something here because the only thing is that I'm less leveraged. But this entry was I entered it because but this one can easily go up easily, easily because ES just proper bit trade, yeah. So this is the candle. Yeah, this is becoming a something little bit bullish. In this gap, I'll try another one. But this is can be another betrayal. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So we added again another one, and then I think this will be a loss. Only the stop loss has to be on the because this one didn't do anything. Like this candle has to be fast to go down, but this one how can they be? You think next candle will go down? I don't think so. They can be like proper bullish within 2 minutes left. We got 2 minutes left. If they do something, they should have to do something. I think they could create a bullish things. Yeah. What do you do? I'm trading proper tilted. I'm just proper tilted. Nothing I'm trading. Okay. So this candle is it gonna be a better things for us to, it has to be big if they have to go down. If they stop here, not good. They have to close down under. Try at least. They have to be fast and furious. If they go down, I would expect it to go here. I'll come out with one just here by one. At least the first one, I'll take some profit at least if they give me. But this is a sign of not a bad sign. Okay. Fast retracement, take the things out. Oh, sorry. Now this one, the question is just to like recover a tiny bit. We don't know if they're gonna close it. If they close it, they're coming here. This one can be bullish from here, you think so? Or they can come down? What do you think? Because they created an order block here. Will this things will hold or this one will be crashing down? That's the question right now. Okay, because ultimately we have to try to recover what we lost it. That is my main goal, first of all. Try to be so this gap is still holding. Okay, so let's say how they traded. They, they don't have a fast and furiousness here. So I mean, we don't know. And how they left it actually is not good sign here. I told you this is just the playing with us. You know what? This time this is not a good way of falling, but they should have retraced tiny bit more than this one. They should not be like this. Look, scared to add it from there. But the thing is that they didn't. This candle should have closed down if they had to go down. Okay, now what they can do? Huh? They're playing with us. At least we'll take the low of the. Okay, I think they'll take the low. Not, no idea, seriously. No power. 930. There are lots of liquidity, underneath of the E for the ES. ES taken out the high. There's a big gap, 1 minute gap in ES. So they're still holding the midpoint of that. But how they went, they should take out this low. I don't know why they're not taking it. 47. Macro time is coming, man. Give us something. Let us go. Because today I did mistake as well. No? So I mean, trying to recover a little bit. Pillage. Market maker is playing with us. This one, are they holding? Because this how they came down is not a nice way to come down. That's the only things I have to say. But if they look at this, do something or not do something. So this is the area what they did. Yeah. If they go back again, I'm not trusting it anymore. I'm just taking it out and waiting for these things to set up back again. It's not good price action. So the midpoint I could have come out and then after that I could have thought about anything. This is not like proper nasty because they how they came down is not a good way they came down. But if they now create like order block, I don't know what they're gonna do. But they will give us chance, if they go down under 930 price. But at least I recover tiny bit. And I'm gonna trade like that anyways. This is you saying to buy it now, to go to that area. That would be a good option as well, because they're supporting with this order block. Okay, let me see if I'm talking too much and I'm not analyzing anything. So my initial idea, what I was like, that's why I have to keep my idea, like here I was supposed to come out. So and then actually it gave me everything. I'm looking this chart so much, it's like not good the way I'm trading. Okay, better I don't look at the chart. So what they did, they came down. This one is a order block. They taken out the high. They came out to this area. Still, the smell of bearishness is there, truly speaking. If they create here, I'm gonna sell it back again maybe. But I should be on the top of that. Okay, this gap they're holding. You let them close nicely. So next candle we'll see. This gap just they just hold it and send it out. So this candle, I might try it again, but I don't know. There's such a way they're trading, like it'll be risky. Maybe one more try we tried, with one. I don't know. I shouldn't have done it. I should have done it from the top. If they can hold something here, we'll take another loss if they. But if they do it, they'll be because they can easily hold it. If they give up this area, which they are not doing it yet, TP can be here. So I'm just. I don't think they're doing it. They're playing with me. 51. At least this low. Not gonna take it. Or they're just coming up. This gap only they inverted. That's why I took this one, but I don't think they're doing anything. 1 minute trading, man. No, no significant, nothing. So might have to come out. It's one-to-one trading, but the problem is that this gap is holding like crazy because they don't have no follow through. So that means they going upward is the more. NT was bad. Yeah, NT was bad. I should have entered it when they went high, then I would have something to take out. But now they can easily just go high. I might take this loss, yeah, and then I'm just gonna wait again. So because I'm just in the consolidation, they very very difficult price. Not consolidation, but that entries are bad. Look, so now they'll fall, then I'll enter from the down, which is the things I'm doing at this minute. Very very impulsive. So the entry was supposed to be there actually, because I'm looking at that chart, so I'm not understanding what they're doing. So this area, everything is possible. What do? We re-enter again and then put our stop loss on the top of maybe this one. So if they stop me out, I'll get out because this is just like not doing the things what they should do. There is nothing happening. But if they fall from here, it will be a big fall. This gap is still not doing anything. I think I'll have a loss back again. Sorry for that. I'm just showing you so bad example. All of these are very, very bad example of trading. because this is a no weak candle. They will definitely take out this one here. There's no chance of going down. So all these things I'm doing is just you can see like is I got tilted. Yeah, I have to accept the loss. I got proper tilted. From here it can be bullish as well. Yeah, let get a stop out is better. I'm just trading seriously bad. I cannot tell you. I can't buy it from here because I fixed myself. But this is not good trading, man. Yeah, I think I'll just stop the live streaming because there is no point of taking all this pain. And then I'm just trading really, really bad, and I don't want to talk right now. So hopefully you'll see the recording and you'll see that what I did. But you think I'll stop here? I don't think so. I'll try my best to recover the loss. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll try to be positive. Hopefully, let's see if they can give us a chance. But there are chances of like it to anything can happen from this area. Okay, so I'm gonna be short term and try to scalp the market and try to recover a little bit so that we don't go red. But I'll be cautious. And if I do anything bad, you'll see it anyways. I will give you the update. Okay, so if I can make it positive, I'll show you the result as well. Okay, so I'm not gonna make this video lengthy because it's quite a long video actually, and I'm getting tired. I didn't even eat today lunch. So have a nice time. Sorry about it because these things were supposed to happen. Like after quite a lot of green day, you will do something silly. So these are the days I know it's gonna come, but it's gonna come like this. I didn't understand. So, but it's all right. This is the learning process. Okay. So hope you have a nice day and take care of yourself and don't lose too much money. I'll see you tomorrow back again. Um, take care. Bye.